Good evening and welcome to Tuesday's Midlands Today from the BBC. First tonight, the driver accused of killing 3 men in the Birmingham riots last summer says he was good friends with 2 of them. Ian Beckford said he'd known Abdul Musavir and Shahzad Ali for over a decade. He denies deliberately driving into them and their friend Tariq Jahan.
But the prosecution says what happened that night was no accident and that what Ian Beckford did was tantamount to a modern-day chariot charge. Mr Beckford and 7 others deny murdering the 3 friends at a petrol station in Winson Green. Giles Latcham reports.
Tariq Jahan, father of Tariq Jahan, came to court again to hear more about the death of his son and 2 other men run down at a petrol station in Winson Green last August as rioting and looting gripped parts of Birmingham. Ian Beckford, driver of the Mazda car that hit them, went into the witness box to give evidence in his own defence. Questioned by his barrister, Paul Lewis QC, Ian Beckford said he'd known 2 of the men he's accused of murdering, brothers Shahzad Ali and Abdul Musavir, for about 14 years and regarded them as good friends. "Did you wish them any harm?" asked Mr Lewis. "No," replied Ian Beckford. The brothers died almost instantly, along with Tariq Jahan, as they stood with a crowd of men protecting local businesses from looters. Paul Lewis QC said the Crown's case that the 8 defendants conspired to drive into the crowd on the forecourt deliberately simply didn't add up. Mr Lewis said that the collision was an accident, not murder and not part of a devilish plot. He said there was no evidence of a conspiracy involving the Mazda, driven by Ian Beckford, and others in 2 more cars, a Ford Fiesta and an Audi. The Mazda had swerved into the 3 men, he said, as it came under attack from the crowd outside the petrol station, hurling bricks and other missiles. Ian Beckford said he was in the area looking for his brother, who'd phoned to tell him the car he was travelling in had been attacked. All 8 men deny murder. The trial resumes tomorrow. Giles Latcham, BBC Midlands Today, Birmingham Crown Court.